All right. Let me go get my screwdriver set. I'm going to take out the RSP1A. I think that one has the matching cable. I'll borrow that one. Yeah, let's do it now. Get it over with. Because I think here's why James Farley. When I come back, I'm going to start having some beer. And I don't want to do it when I don't want to do that. I don't want to ruin it. So I'm sober right now. I can do it now. So you know what? Let's do it now. Right? Yeah. No, yeah, this one. Yeah, there's a little nut there. I'll take that one out. Yeah. So let me go get the screwdriver. Let me turn on this little light here. Let's do this now. Let's do it right here. I'm gonna point it down. Let me see if I can do this like. Let me put this keyboard over here. Wait. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, this cord is going to get in my way. I'm going to put this like that so it doesn't get in my way. Like that. And you can see it. Yeah, I know. All right, so let's bring the radio. Let's bring a screwdriver. Let me see. I might have to get a little wrench. Yeah, that's too big. So I gotta get a little. I gotta get the adjustable wrench. Put this over here. Just, I don't want to put that over there. Just give me a minute. Let me settle down over here. All right, be right back. All right. All right, let me close this door. Yeah. All right, let's do this. So let's do this. Let me put the audio on my thing. Okay. Like that. Let's take this apart first. Because I want to make sure the connector is, no point in opening this up if this wire, when I take it out from the connector, and I got to be very careful with this one when I take it out of the connector. So let's take out the screws. So that is a Phillips. Let's see if this is 1, 2, 3, 4. screwdriver here. That right there for a minute. And this is right there.
Introducing Canva Email. Now, it's so much simpler to promote your business. Just drag
That's the OBS behind me saying that is, I mean, not OBS, Microsoft Movie Maker saying that is rendered. So I'm going to wait for that. Because now we're doing this, so that's going to wait. It's just saying that it's completed, the rendering. Okay, here we go. Put the 2 screws there. Now we have this one. And of course, this one is this nut, and this nut has to come out. So let me loosen the other side, and then we'll proceed to take that out. Okay, so I'll take out this side. Let me see actually if I can slide the board out. No, you know what? I'll take it out. I need to access the, yeah. Let me just take out all the screws. I don't want to mess around with this. So what I'm doing is I'm borrowing the wire for here so I can put it on the mini TEF 6686. I already ordered the wire, but it says it's gonna be here like in the second week of April, so it hasn't even been shipped out yet. Okay, so we have this. You take this cover up. We're gonna slide this board out. Actually, we don't need to slide the board. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to disconnect this. I need a pair of tweezers for that. I'll be right back. I need tweezers for that because I'm not gonna try to do it like this. No way. Let me get a pair of tweezers. Be right back. All right, let me see. I had another tweezer around there. There was another tweezer around there that this one. All right, let's let me try to disconnect that wire right now. Yeah, this is trickier than what I thought. All right, got it out. Okay, and that is I need to look at the hold up, that looks different. Oh no, okay, it's the same thing. So that's a male connector. You're not gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna have to hold it steady, but you're not gonna be able to see it. No, forget about it. It's not going to be able to. Let me try it one more time. I hold it like this. Maybe you might be able to see it. There you go. See? It's a male connector, okay? MMCX male. So it should work. So we're not going to need this for now. This, I have to loosen the nut. So we're going to make an adjustment here. There you go. So there's a nut. And you have this washer. It's a washer. This one is a lock washer. This is what lock washer. Of course, I'm going to take out the ferrites. I will take out these ferrites. I'm only going to, yeah, that's a good one. Exactly, that's a good one. Let me snap out these ferrites. I'm taking out the ferrite because I don't know if it's gonna fit, so I don't need extra. At some point I will try to put it back, but right now I want to make sure that this connector is in the board securely. Then I could. So this is the wire. That's the connector right there. Okay, that's the connector right there. All right. Now we gotta open this up. So how you do is you squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it. I hope I don't break this. And kind of pop it open on one side first. And there you go. Okay, again, squeeze it. I should loosen this too. I should have loosened this. And that would. There you go. By the way, the radio is on. Let me turn it off. Right there. All right. So now we're going to take this one out. I need to loosen this up. Oh, no, there you go. See, this one is a lot longer, look. A lot longer than that one. All right, now we're gonna put this one. We gotta be careful how we line this one up. So I gotta be very careful. I'll be very careful here. Gonna line this up. Wow, this is gonna be tricky. This part's a little tricky, but let me do it this way and see if I can line it up. There you go. It's in there. All right, sorry. All right. Then now we're going to secure this guy. But let me see if this... No, the battery. Yeah, James Farley, you cannot put the ferrite. The battery occupies the spot. So you cannot put the ferrite. Sorry, you can't. So forget about that.
Investment taxes, including crypto, can be complex, and they're always evolving. No matter what your portfolio looks like, H&R Block knows about all the regulations and nuances, so you can make the most of your taxes and maximize your gains.
Switch to Chrome to load your favorite sites fast, so you can browse with ease. Fast, safe, yours.
Lock. This nut. There you go.
WFUV, playlists, features, and radio curated by real people, not algorithms. Fix it. POU.house.gov.
There you go.
To serve you.
Paid for by official funds authorized by the House. Sure are kinky.
There you go.
She wrote on
Mission accomplished.
in the October 7th attacks.
All right.